This is another completed project of ours. Final refurbishment of the Sportster 883XL. So from the front, you see the headlight, 7-inch headlight, brighter, custom fabricated mountings, smooth finishing, ceramic coated to prevent rust and corrosion. And one of the minor highlights here is the forks. You can see, I'll explain that the upper and lower clamps, they are powder coated, but the fork tubes, they are hard anodized. So what's the difference between hard anodizing and powder coating is the thickness of it. The fork tubes here go up and down, so to prevent friction and to maintain the durability of the cover, we hard anodize it. This is around, the thickness of this fork tube is around 100 microns. 1 micron is 1,000 of a millimeter. So I want to explain to you guys, it is thin, functional and durable. So next is the powder coated engine covers, and then we got the CC bars here. Okay, so the CC bars here is we fabricated the bushings, CNC mill the bushings to make it even, to look nice, to look everything nice and perfect. But this is not painted, it's ceramic coated. You could actually do it with powder coating also, but we did it ceramic coated because I had a few things to send to ceramic coating, so I was thinking why not, anything to remove and to hinder corrosion and rust. Okay, so it is 2006 and 2007